Hola y buenas tardes. Hello and good afternoon. So this afternoon, you're going to actually work on La Familia, the family unit review. And even though we are continuing a little bit more with food in the classroom, I think that one of the ways we can get through the family review is during the PM session. So that's what I'm attempting today. Your first slide that you look at is going to be a lot of the vocabulary. And I'd like you to take a good look through that. So also keep in mind that if you are combining a group and talking about them, you're going to use the masculine plural. For example, if I have my sister and she's la hermana, and then I have my brother and he's el hermano, if I want to talk about them together as my siblings, I'll take the masculine one and make it plural. So I will say los hermanos, and that's what this one is showing you here. Same thing with grandparents. I have my abuela, my abuelo, but then I have my abuelos, my grandparents. So again, to refer to the group, masculine, plural. So this is your vocab list that you're going to refer to. Then you have a few slides to complete. On this first slide, you're going to take a look at the little conversation that's happening. Hola, soy Lorena. Mi hermana es Catherine, etc. And then you're going to make corrections to these sentences. So you're going to see here it says Lorena y Daniel son hermanos. You need to find out what hermanos are. Those are siblings. And are they in fact siblings? They're not. So you'll need to rewrite it in a way that does make sense. Okay? So you're making corrections to these, rewriting them in Spanish with the correct word replacing the incorrect word. This is two separate slides here. You are going to be reading about each person and then answering the questions for each family. Short answers are fine. Some of them will just be numbers. English answers are also okay. There is an audio, which hopefully will work on your end if you want to listen to it. Moving along here, some additional questions to answer about family relationships. Again, short answer is fine, English or Spanish. Wherever you see the heart, that just means that those people are married. And then the branches off them are those people's children. So that will be slides 5 and 6. So again, you're going to want to complete these slides and submit them by the end of the period 9 time frame. All right, gracias, adiós y buena suerte.